What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NVDA for NVIDIA Corp. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing to take away from the daily time frame chart is the fact that we are still holding up above that 240 line in the sand, right? We supported there on the Friday session. It's the neckline of the double bottom from in here. You could call it balance highs. It's really a cleaner double bottom on a smaller time frame like the 30-minute. You can clearly see that neckline supporting, and now we are building a nice new 30-minute uptrend. From the daily perspective, right before we move to the 30 and talk more nuance, this is the obvious target, right? It's got to be 257.68 coming from the prior low. When it breaks, we accelerate, and that is where our current high is, keeping us in a lower high, right? So we do need to break that, take it out, make a new higher high, and then we can start to think more about the resistance trend line and maybe changing the tone inside of the NVIDIA daily time frame chart, but one step at a time. Let's take a closer look at that 30-minute time frame now. And by the way, if we do break underneath 240, by the way, I should just mention this now, right? We would expect that to be a look above and fail. Target should be the bottom end of that balance, the double bottom lows, closer to 220. Now let's get on over to the 30-minute intraday time frame. And again, what you'll notice here is that we are starting to build a new uptrend with higher lows in place. Even with that sort of nasty pullback into the close here, we also have those higher highs. We want to see that continue. And a very easy way to just gauge this would be to take out a support trend line coming from the lows of last Friday and just do something roughly like that. Are we above the support trend line? If so, fantastic. Looking for that equal high as we pointed out from the daily time frame, and potentially a break after that to get into the resistance trend line. Or if we start to break it down, you know that, hey, either look out for more sideways activity, we get some more digestion up here, and then maybe it breaks into the future. Or worst case scenario, right? We break that 240 and then we're looking for lower, as we pointed out. Look above and fail should take us to the bottom end of the range. And if I scrunch up the chart, remember that the structure on the way up was fairly poor. It was almost a straight shot higher. Generally speaking, that type of move can be retraced fairly easily. There's technically a gap in here as well. Maybe we support there for some sort of higher low that looks like that, right? So this would be low. This would be higher low at the gap fill area. That's roughly 230. Let's just map it out together so we have it on our radar. So 230.50s. It's going to fill down to roughly 228.50s. Have that on your radar, but ideally 240 is going to be your continued line in the sand into the remainder of the week. So that's what I've got for you inside of NVIDIA as of right now. This little 30-minute uptrend does look promising. The support here does look promising, but we'll take it one step at a time. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.